We are Super Krew. We have a special mission using the chainsaw and tractor.
Here we go.
Pumpkin over there! I found a pumpkin.
The boys have a cool idea and need Dad's help.
Follow me!
Hey guys, what are you doing?
There's a big pumpkin patch.
There's a big pumpkin patch. Why don't you show me?
Chainsaw pumpkin!
Chainsaw pumpkin! Let's go!
Great idea. But first, let's help Dad find the tractor.
Yeah! Dad, the tractor's over here. I'm driving the tractor.
Hey guys, you found the tractor for me. Okay, I'm gonna help you guys off so we can go find the pumpkin. Whoa! Jacob, here comes Daniel. All right, boys, load up. Let's go.
Lead the way, Daniel and Jacob.
Yay!
Yeah!
This way, Jacob. Let's go!
I see the pumpkins.
Yeah!
Park over here, boys.
Hey boys, you guys found the pumpkin patch. This is awesome. Okay, here's what we need to do first. Let's load up these pumpkins in the bucket of the tractor, then we can go chainsaw them. How does that sound?
Yeah!
All right, help me out, boys. Come on, pick up the pumpkins.
Let's use our super speed and load up the bucket.
Upside down, pumpkin.
You did it! The boys are leading Dad back to the chainsaw area. Watch out! He just hit a tree. Are you ready to chainsaw a pumpkin?
Yeah!
What is that?
Turtle! Mega power! Oh, it did make a dent. Mega power!
Whoa! We got our chainsaws, boys. Were you guys chainsawing this pumpkin?
Yeah.
I'm ready to cut this pumpkin. I have my safety glasses on, my hearing protection, and my gloves. Safety first is always key, boys. Right?
Right.
All right, let's go ahead and get a Team Super Krew before we cut. Team Super Krew! Let's get to cutting.
Yeah! I'm ready to watch!
Whoa! What a clean slice!
Go get a pumpkin for Dad.
I know this one. This one. Slide it.
Dad needs another pumpkin. Load him up. After you cut the pumpkin, try a different way.
All right, Daniel, we're gonna use this tractor now and squish the pumpkin. Are you ready to see this?
Yeah!
Watch out. Dad's using the sledgehammer.
Okay, boys, we're gonna have a race. Who can gut the pumpkins the fastest? Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
On your marks, get set, go! Oh, look at all these. Oh, gross! Whoa, look at that power scoop. Good job, Jacob. Maybe we can grow pumpkins next year.
Yeah!
We're gonna cook these with some salt, some pepper, and some olive oil, and they're gonna be real tasty.
I'm already almost done.
Whoa, Daniel's winning.
I got the most, seeds.
Let me smell it. Woo! Shoo-wee! Pumpkin smells stinky
I'm
inside.
gonna put my head in it.
Stinky?
No, I like it.
Try that again.
Time's up. Let's see who won.
Let me see. There's Daniel's.
Oh, I got some seeds still.
I just read those.
Jacob has seeds. He's the winner.
Daniel's the winner. Good job.
Oh, good job, job, Daniel. Okay, we made such a mess here. We need to clean it up. Let's load it in the tractor and go dump it somewhere, okay?
Ew! Look at all those pumpkin guts.
That's nasty.
Did you find a spot? Where do we go?
Over here, Dad.
The pumpkins are perfect for our compost pile. And the seeds will sprout for next year.
Wow, that was so much fun today using the tractor, the chainsaw, and cutting those pumpkins. If you guys like our content, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye!
Bye. Bye.
Oh, come on, Jacob, you got it. It's so heavy. Help me. Oh, awesome.
Again.